In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your background without any paid software whatsoever. Really quick and simple way using just free software to remove the background from your photos. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, we talk about affiliate marketing, the stock market, and how you can make some extra money online. If that is something that interests you, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and we're always coming out with new videos showing you different ways you can make money online. If you would like to know what it is that we do, then you can check out the link below, and this is our #1 recommended way to make money online. Now, as I said in the intro, what I'm going to do in this video is I'm not actually going to talk about ways to make money today. I'm going to show you how you can make or start to make a thumbnail. This is going to be a 3-part video. This is part 1. And in this part, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the background from an image so that you just have a cutout of yourself to put on your thumbnail. So the first thing that you want to do, so let me show you the photograph we're going to work with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can take the background out of this image here and save it with a transparent background so it's ready to go on your thumbnail. So the first thing that you want to do is, and close that down, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your search bar on your computer and just type in P, and Paint 3D is going to come up. You can type in Paint 3D if it doesn't. So click on that, Paint 3D, and we're going to open up the image we're looking for. So I'm going to find that there, open. Okay, so we open the image in Paint 3D, and this is where all the magic starts. It's really easy. There's lots and lots of things you can do in Paint 3D. For this tutorial, all we're going to talk about is Magic Select. So all we're going to do is hit Magic Select, and you're going to get a border around the picture here. Now, as you can see here in the corner, it shows you what you need to do, and all you do is you drag this border in to where you want to cut out, so as close as you can to where you want to cut out, just like that. Okay, so you've got it nice and close, and then all you're going to do is you're going to hit next, and it's going to chop out literally all of it for you. Sometimes it doesn't put it all in. Last time I did it, it just did my hair, and I had to put my shoulders in. So when it does that, what it shows you here is you'll be on the remove tool or the add tool, and you'll draw a line over the bit that you want to remove or the bit you want to add. So if it didn't have the shoulders in, I would do an add because I want my shoulders in, draw a line in it, and it would just mark my shoulders off automatically. So it's a little bit choppy around the hair, so I'll show you how to change that in the next part. Okay, so what we do now is we just hit done, because I've literally got it how I want it. So I can move my picture around. It's filled out the background, but for this tutorial, we don't want the background at all. So I'm going to go up here to canvas, and we're going to put here, show canvas off. Okay, and then all we're going to do is we're going to go back to brushes, and we're going to hit the eraser tool. I'm going to take this down to about 3 pixels and zoom right in up here, and then you can just tidy up if you've got little bits that are untidy, so that you've got nice smooth edges when you put your cutout of yourself onto your thumbnail. And it's going to be dead simple to do that. Most of the time you're going to get it pretty good. And if you think about it as well, when you're doing your thumbnails are really small anyway. And when you're putting your picture of yourself on the thumbnail, they're even smaller. So it doesn't have to be perfect. generally you would put some kind of border around yourself as well. So you don't have to make it perfect, but if you want to just get rid of the little bits that are sticking out that you can see, that's all you need to do. Just take a little bit of an eraser around it, go find the bits you don't like and just like smooth them out. And that's it. And once you're done, all you're going to do is you're going to save this. So if I'm happy with that, all I'm going to do is I'm going to save it. And to save it, we go to menu, we go to save as, and you hit image. It's going to come up for you to save it as a PNG. Make sure that you do save it as a PNG. It's going to make sure your background is transparent and you can use it easily on your thumbnail, and you can put outlines around yourself and whatever. Hit transparency on your background and then you can see that your background turns transparent. Hit save down here. Give it a name. Remove background. Okay, and hit save. And that's it. Really, really simple. No paid software, nothing like Photoshop. There's many other ones out there that you have to pay monthly subscriptions to. You can get free trials to. This is a built-in app on your computer. If you don't have it on your computer, you can download it onto your computer. It is called Paint 3D. It is really simple, smart. It does it for you. It's called Magic Select. And this is really, really going to speed up the time it takes you to remove your backgrounds for your thumbnails, and you can crack on. So if you've enjoyed the video, if it's been useful information that you didn't already know about, if you've been using software that you've had to pay for, or you've been using one of those lasso tools that you literally have to go all the way around the outline on, and it takes you like 20 minutes just to get a nice cutout, let me know that it's been a good video for you to watch, that you've got some value from it and you've learned something new, because that's what I'm hoping for, that I've really helped some people out here. And for this video, like I said, it is part 1. I'm going to go into part 2 and show you the next free software that we use to do our thumbnails and how you can bring that in and then put an outline around your cutout self, if you like, and then we'll do a part 3 on finishing off the thumbnail. So if you like the video, give me a like. So that's it for this video, guys. Bye for now. Take care.